Racing just is started. One slow out and that is Bagong Barrio. We have Aloha. First to show quickness at the start. Masaganang Anisari outside. Promise is running by the rail. On the outside comes Stormtrooper. Bagong Barrio, Semper Fidelis. Chansan Dior comes next, especially discreet. While C Tonet is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Aloha, a solo leader by about 6 lengths. And in second is Bagong Barrio. Moving up now on the outside is Masaganang Ania, Stormtrooper, Semper Fidelis. Promise comes next, especially discreet, Chansan Dior, while C Tonet is still running at the tail of the field. Inside the 3 octavo, we have Aloha by about 4 lengths. Bagong Barrio in second, Stormtrooper. Semper Fidelis comes next, especially discreet. Promise, Masaganang Ani, Chansan Dior, while Sitonet is still running at the tail of the field. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Aloha by about half length. Bagong Barrio is on the outside. Semper Fidelis, Stormtrooper, especially discreet in the middle portion. Last 100 meters, we have Bagong Barrio now takes command. Aloha, Semper Fidelis, and on the outside, especially discreet, Stormtrooper. And finally, we have Bagong Barrio, especially discreet, Stormtrooper, Semper Fidelis, Aloha.
Anong datingan mo?
657 yung aking klarong nakita. So anyway, it was Bagong Barrio.